how to delete text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Now in here, touch and hold on the text message that you want to delete. So you can select one or multiple text messages, and then tap on the delete button at the top here, then tap on move to bin. Another way to do it is sometimes you can swipe depending on your settings. So here you can see I can swipe across to delete the text messages. Or if you are opening up a text message in here, tap on the option at the top here. Sometimes you can choose archive or bin and then tap on move to bin. And that's it. If you accidentally delete a text messages, that's okay. You can always restore them from your settings as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.